Okay, hello everybody. So let's have a look at the new Baton software. This version is the 5.2.82, okay, for the PC version, and let's see what's going on. So here it is. I'm going to the patch, and we have two ways of patching here in Baton. I'm going to show you one that I really like really fast. So on the left side here, you got these little two plugs. You just click in, and there it is. You will be presented by a window. Let me select first of all this window here, and you have different choices. Obviously, you have the library that you're currently using. You have the library coming from an external disk or USB. We have the local library, that is the library that is in the console. Okay, in this case I'm just gonna make an example on dimmers, so I will use the library in use, and I have dimmers. I select them pressing OK, and here I am presented with this window. If you look at it, first of all, you can select the type as I told you. You can select the name, you can change it if you want. You can select the count. So let's say we're going to patch 9 dimmer channels, okay? Now we want to give the ID also. We can just simply click in this boxes, and you see that I am changing the IDs. But anyway, we can change also the IDs later on. For us, it's not a problem. So currently ID 1, the address code. So let's see that we are on universe 1, but we can change also the channel. We can change also the universe. So every time you do something, you see that you have the visual reference after on what you're doing, okay? So let's go back to universe 1, DMX channel 1, as we see here, okay? Then we say apply, and there it is. The fixtures are patched. Okay, we close the window. Perfect. And we go in the patch section in the info window. Now here we have all the fixtures that we have patched. We can start fixing things as we like. For example, in my case, I'm going to say that these three guys, so I select them, I press the setup, are the roof guys. So roof, oh, excuse me, roof, there it is. And I'm going to say that these guys here are the midair guys. So I select them, I press setup. In the console case, you will have a virtual keyboard appearing. Okay, so I'm working on the PC, so I'm typing in by the PC. So these guys are the mid-air guys. Okay, I'm selecting the other three. I'm going to set up, and now I'm seeing that these guys are the floor guys. Perfect. So we have the roof guys, the mid-air, and the floor. But let's suppose we have to make some changes to make things look better. First of all, we know that our fixtures that are on the roof are all 1 to 10. Let's suppose that the mid-air guys have a different ID, so we're giving the 20s. Let's suppose that the floor guys have a different IDs, and we're going to 30s, just to make examples. Okay, so I'm changing the IDs. So now I have my 1, 2, 3, my 20, 21, 22, my 30, 31, 32. Okay, perfect. Now let's suppose we have to make other changes. We need to know that the roof guys are good on universe 1, but the midair guys, everything that is in midair is in line number 2. So I press the setup, I go to line 2, I select the address, I got the visual here of what's going on, and I say okay. Perfect. So now the midair guys are 2. I am selecting these guys here, pressing the setup. I'm going on line 3 and I'm selecting address 1, but I can choose also address 84. It's not a problem, okay? So here it is, and I'm saying, okay, perfect. So now I have everything working as I like because I have my roof guys that are 1, 2, and 3, but they are on universe 1, channel 1, 2, and 3. The midair guys have a different ID, have a different universe, have a different name. The floor guys, same stuff. Here we have a lot of options, and most of these options obviously are for moving heads like pan invert, tilt invert, and all the other stuff that we have. We also have the pan offset and the tilt offset. As you can see here, you can move your sidebars around so you can do what you need. Once you have everything setted, we can get out of the patch window. We don't need any more to be here. We can go to the fixture group and palettes, and we can see that we have everything already inside our window. So we have the roof fixtures, we have the midair guys, and the floor fixtures. Now we're ready to create groups and whatsoever. Okay, we have different options. I will be showing you in these short videos how to do things, and also there will be longer videos because I need to show you more deeply features and functions, how they work and how to deal with them. Have a great day, everybody, and see you on the next video.